Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add your name at your iPhone's lock screens. This is a very simple trick to do, but if somehow you don't know how to do it, then please keep watching this full video and after that you will be easily know it. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, go ahead towards settings. Now scroll it up. Now tap at focus. Now at the top you can see a plus sign. Simply create a new focus. Now tap at custom. Now select the language, color. Now tap at name, add the name here. For example, I am going to create a JoyTech. Now scroll it up. Now tap at next. Now customize focus. That's it. Now go back. Now tap at focus mode. Now select the JoyTech. Now lock your screen, and after that your name will be appear at your lock screens. At the bottom you can see a JoyTech. My name is appears at my lock screen. Like this you can easily add your name at your lock screens. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it, and finally don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.